this was going to be the end of this project. I was just going to cut the excess channel off and leave enough so that my electric grinder, I could reach everything on the table. But then I thought, that channel sticking out in midair, it's not really hurting anything. I might want to put a light on it or something one day. I think maybe I'll leave it. And then the thought came, I can put my camera on it. The tripod's always in the way. I can hang my camera from the beam. Awesome. So you're looking at my production camera. It's the only camera I have except for my iPhone, which I have in my hand. And now I have another place to mount it. It'll slide up and down this beam. I can go up and down with it. I made it from an old tripod that was broken. I hope it doesn't wiggle around too much. It's kind of hard to tell. You slide it around. I think that's going to be a big help, because moving that tripod around that I usually use, it seems like it was always hanging up on something. And I've got this Foredom grinder, and I have this Foredom grinder which has been in my house for years, and I haven't used it since I made those chairs, which was 4.5 years ago. And it basically does the same thing the pneumatic grinders do, except it's a little easier to control the speed. It works better at low speeds, and it's reversible, which is sometimes a big deal. And I have different collet sizes for it, so I can run some really small tools with it. So a couple of improvements to the old foundry. I enjoyed this one. I like making things out of basically nothing.